Sunday! It is yet another beautiful fall Sunday, and I'm excited about this one because today we are going to be going to a winery north of Columbus, and we're going to celebrate my birthday because my birthday is tomorrow, and I'm so excited. So my friends and I are all going to be meeting up again, and we're going to be carpooling like an hour and a half north to winery at Wolf Creek. So I'm excited because they have goats too. If we get to see goats, I'm going to be super excited. So we're all going to go and do like a wine tasting and things like that. And it's going to be interesting to see how they deal with the COVID restrictions and stuff. And I hope we get to like walk through the property. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get going. Mr. Goat! Aww. I will laugh at all of you if you spill your wine going down this hill. So we're going towards the water because it's a beautiful sunny day, and we're going to see what it looks like by the water. They have goats. Pop that up. Oh, somebody else want more?
No.
Okay,
no,
good.
Please.
Alright.
Did you just stumble? Or... I'm glad you're safe. Glad you didn't actually fall.
We found a creek. Or a body of water.
The bog of eternal stench.
What is it?
The bog of eternal stench. I don't know.
It's some Monty Python shit. But we're out here in nature, walking around, beautiful sunshine, beautiful weather. So I'm happy.
Sorry. There.
32 to 23.
Right there.
Are you 23?
Oh, you have a candle. Okay. Are you ready to make your wish? Okay, thing, y'all. Yeah. Get your vocals ready. Cough.
Cough on the cake. Everybody just saw part.
Lighter.
The lighter.
Oh.
It's not. I don't see anything.
It's not the lighter. It was lighting. The fire was going.
Go underneath the table.
I know, but with a lighter, you might be able to control it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's.
I feel like it's just gonna blow out.
Yeah. But she's not gonna blow on it anyway.
Oh, that's true. The wind will do it.
Yep. The wind knows COVID's going around.
Okay, are you ready? You better get ready, because this is not gonna last very long.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear
Savannah. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
They do. They're all.
I'm gonna try their crab really quick. Do you want to do a sample with me?
Mm-hmm. Let's do it.
Which one do you want to try?
Yeah. Try now.
Oof.
That's good.
But yeah, there was a guy from LA that like, you remember?
I don't think he wants.
You only have like 2 claws?
He has 2 claws. 2 claws.
Like, I don't want him to bite me. I don't want him to spit at me.
He's not a llama. He won't spit.
So, alpaca, goats.
Come here. Oh, look at that.
Oh, you got an itch, baby. Scratch it. He's like my puppies.
Look at that neck.
I know. Look at that bend.
That's kind of impressive.
Oh, and right in the ear.
Wow. Wow.
Hi. Hi, come here.
The alpaca, he does it.
They're so sweet. They are.
Hey, baby. Do you remember the 21st night, September? Sorry.
So today is the perfect day to open my September fall bark box because today is my birthday, but my puppies get presents too. So this is a lot of fun. So I love this theme because one, I'm an autumn baby and I love everything about fall and I'm excited to see what the toys are. Ooh. Nice. I like it. So they always have like an insert about like sharing things with your friends and you get like a code on the back or whatever. So that's cool. Ooh. Shin Shin. Yankee. Are you excited for some new treats? I think he likes them. I think he wants them. I think he wants them. That's good. That's a good sign. And then they have these duck treats. Nice. What do you think of these, Shinda? Oh, you want those more? I think he likes the pork ones better than the duck ones. What about you, Yuki? Do you like the duck ones? Yuki likes everything. So he's not the best judge of character. And then we have this deer hunter. Ooh. He squeaks a bit. Crinkle. Soft plush. Ooh, nice. He's gonna be good for like throwing around the house and they're gonna catch him and stuff like that. Okay. Alright. Well, Shindo stole him already. Oh, and look who's back for more. And then this one is a Mutt Bunch hard cider toy. It's like the fuzziness. Ooh. It's so soft. I love it. It's like apple cider. What about you, Yuki? And Yuki's off to his bed. And then the last thing that we have here is the duck stick. So I'm gonna split this in half for both of them so they can share this. Since it's easily breakable, I just literally broke it in half. And Yuki's already waiting for his. And Shindo gets the other half. I am. This is gonna be good. So today continues all my fall things because I got my fall FabFitFun box today. Yeah. And I'm just opening it up now. I took the paper out already. But this is what I have for this quarter. I have the foot stuff, the Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-step kit. It has a soak, a scrub, a mask, and a massage butter. I have the Daniel Stone room spray, which is in pumpkin spice. I smelled this a little bit ago. It smells really good, but it doesn't linger very long, so we'll see how it goes. I don't think it's gonna be my favorite thing, but it's not the worst thing I've ever gotten. I have these 3 hair clips. They're like, I think they're like resin. And they're really cute. I like them. And then I have this, which is, and here's my little necklace that I picked. It was one of the options that I selected myself. It's a Ginny Bird necklace. This is a mystery option, which they picked for me, and it's glow milk. And it's nourished with coconut and argan oil. So you can put it on your face and your body. So that'll be interesting to see the texture of it, what it's like. If you've used it before, let me know how you like it. Because I'm on the fence of whether or not I want to even keep this. I have no idea. One of the things that I love about FabFitFun is that they give you these gigantic full-size products. So I love face masks, so I'm really glad that they got this as one of the options. It is a pore cleansing clay mask, and it exfoliates and detox. This was another one of the options that they picked for me. I actually had this in a previous box, so I wouldn't have picked it again. It wasn't my favorite thing. It's actually pretty messy in the shower. I feel like they got different packaging. It feels different from the one I have, like, still upstairs. I haven't finished it. I feel like they got new packaging, and they have the resealable thing, so that's cool. Yeah, I wouldn't have picked this one again myself, but this was an option that FabFitFun picked for me. I might be giving this one away as a gift or something. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out, though. This is what I was the most excited about right here. This is what I was the most excited about here. It was this Botkier bag. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was, but it's okay. I had a bag from FabFitFun before, and I'm not a big fan of it. So I'm hoping that this one is a lot better. You see that it has a zipper on the inside, which is cool, because the other one didn't. It was just like an open pocket. It was an open pocket, which I didn't really like. This one has a zipper on the inside. And it has zipper pockets out here on the outside, which are super cute. And a snap closure right there. And it's a backpack style bag. So I'm looking forward to using this fall. And that is everything I got in my FabFitFun box. And the party continues. My niece came by and gave me these balloons and stuff. And she also dropped off some Reese's because she knows they're my favorite. So all in all, it's been a great birthday week, whatever. I'm so glad I got to see all my friends and family, and it's been a great time.